Pierre Kortjie is vir 558 dae as gijslaer in Jemen deur Al-Qaeda aangehou, toe hy tydens 'n reddingspoging doodgeskiet is. Talle mense het 'n laaste eer aan hom betoon tydens sy begrafnis in die CRC Kerk in Bloemfontein.
He had a serving heart and he always put other people's needs and wants before his own. He was especially good at growing things, growing plants, growing animals, and growing children and students. He knew how to place them so that they would grow, so that they would want to grow. We salute you today.
By Grey is daar 'n gesegde wat sê, great gentlemen do not need rules, they live by values. Pierre was so 'n great gentleman. En as 'n onderwyser, as 'n ouer en as 'n ligdraer, lig met hoofletters, het hy soveel mense bereik.
When we as students think of Mr. Kortjie, we remember the following: hands that were willing to serve, a heart of purpose that imparted wisdom and not only knowledge, a phenomenal human being, a man of God, a teacher who left a legacy. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, but the great teacher inspires. Oom Pierre, oom was 'n inspirasie.